Look at them. Okay, start. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Abdul Muhammad.
What's your father's name?
My brother's name is Muhammad.
What does your father do?
My father do 6 p.m. 6 p.m.
What does your father do? Police, policeman, driver, businessman.
My brother do police.
Policeman. Okay, nice. Do you learn English?
Yes.
Look at them. Do you learn English?
Yes.
Where do you learn English?
My name is Ahmed Spoken Academy.
Good. When do you get up?
I get up
6 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m. Wow, nice. Okay, sit down please. Okay, ready? আমার কাছে আসো।
Come to me.
বাইরে যেও না,
Don't go out.
সময় নষ্ট করো না।
Don't let us.
Don't waste time. Nice. আমি পড়ে দিছি।
I'm reading.
Don't sound. আমি পড়ে দিছি।
I'm reading.
তুমি পড়ে দিছো।
You are reading.
তারা পড়ে দিছে।
They are reading.
আমরা পড়ে দিছি।
You are reading.
আমি লিখে দিছি।
I'm writing.
তুমি লিখে দিছো।
You are writing.
তারা লিখে দিছে।
They are writing.
আমিও লিখে দিছি।
We are writing.
আমার কাছে আসো।
Come to me.
Yes. সেখানে যাও।
Go to.
আমাকে সাহায্য করো।
Please help me.
Please help me. Thank you. আমাকে এক গ্লাস জল দাও। আমাকে এক গ্লাস জল দাও। Please. Tell. Look at me. Look at me, please. আমাকে জল দাও।
Please give me water.
Good. Please give me water. আমাকে কলম দাও।
Please give me pen.
Good. Please give me pen. Where are you from?
I'm from Tanzania.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tanzania.
From Gujarat. Nice. Which school do you read in?
I could do reading Indian learner.
Good. Do you learn English? Yes. Where do you learn English? Science School Academy. Nice. When do you come to sunlight? With father. Okay, what time? When? 2 p.m. or 3 p.m.? 2 p.m. or 3 p.m.? 2 p.m. Nice. Thank you. Do you have money? Do you have pen? Good. Are you happy today? Really happy? Thank you. আমাকে নিঃশ্বাস করে আমি পড়ে দিছি।
I don't distract me. I am reading.
আমাকে নিঃশ্বাস করে আমি লিখে দিছি।
I don't distract me. I am writing.
আমাকে বিরক্ত করে না, আমি মুখস্থ করে দিছি।
I don't
Then
distract me. I am
মুখস্থ করে দিছি। ওকে, ড্রাইভার এখন আসেনি।
never come here.